darlings. So I want to open the gift I got for my birthday. Yeah. So before that, I want to tell you how I actually got the gift. So these ones are from me to me. They are basically things I need for my new apartment. I hope that counts as a birthday gift, because even the new apartment I paid for, I counted it as the birthday gift I gave myself. I hope that counts. This one is from the church. This one is from my friend. Yes. And this one too is from my friend. Okay, and this one is from Zubi. It came in a set like this. It's from Zubi. And then this one is from Tina. Okay, let's go straight into opening them. So first, I'm going to open the ones that were gifted to me by others before this one. So first, the one I got from the church. Oh my god! It's a photo album of me! Oh my god! Okay, and it also came with this. Oh, it's an airpod! Pink airpod! Clock it. Oh, there is a note in it. Oh, chocolates. And a very cute purse. Darling Prosper, the past 3 years we've spent together have gone by so quickly. I hope that among your time in Japan, the moments we shared will remain as precious memories. I prepared these 2 gifts for you, hoping they will remind you of our special time together. I truly hope you like them wherever you go. May God remember you and pour out His abundant grace upon you. Your sister, Ira. If you know me, you know I love handwritten notes. Like, I love them so much. Okay, blender and Dove scrub, and another note to Prosper, the queen of TikTok. Oh, pink and white sponge, shoe wipes, hair care product, a small cake, hand cream, Skittles, chocolate, hairbands. Dear Prosper, I have known you since last year April, and you are such a bubbly and cheerful person to be around with, filled with positivity, light and smile. My prayer for you is never stop trusting and having faith. It will happen as long as you continue having a positive mindset. I appreciate our time and memories together. Enjoy your birthday. Much love. Okay, a diffuser, pink socks, pink hair cap, pink handkerchiefs, and deodorant sheets, hand sponge, pink hairband, hand cream, UV spray, bath salts. I don't know what these ones are, but they look nice. But this one is a waffle. It also has a note. Essential oil, chocolates. Wishing you a birthday as beautiful as you are. Period. May happiness come rushing to meet you the same way you always bring good energy to those around you. May you always be surrounded by people who love you and moments that make life more beautiful. Happy birthday. This one is this from Tina. Banana bread. Puff puff. I can't remember the last time I had puff puff. Like, it's been 3 years now. I never chopped puff puff. I think it's a sleeping pad or something, but it's pink and I love it. It has a nose too. And this one, lipstick. Happy birthday, baby girl. I hope today brings you so much happiness, laughter, and all the beautiful things you deserve. You're such an amazing person. I saw these items and thought of you immediately. Yeah. Because you and Pink, 5 and 6. I hope they make you smile. Oh my darling, they made me happy. Like, thank you so much. Let's open these ones. It's a pot. actually a set of pots. Can you see? Can you see how heavy it is? My cooking vlogs are about to be lit. Like, oh, nice. I didn't know that my phone stopped recording. Anyway, oh, nice. This one is like my favorite. This is all the gifts I received. Yeah, from people. So yes, in my next video I'm going to open these ones. I'm going to do like a haul. Actually, they were gotten from Temu, so I'm going to do a Temu haul. So one more gift just arrived now. Let's check it together. Yeah. You know, the funny part is that I actually need a school bag. Like, I needed to change that red one I'm always carrying. And I was planning to get one, but just look at God. Very nice, very sleek, very, very big too. Can contain all my containables. Thank you so much, my baby. And this is also from my friend. Yep. So thank you so much for watching my video. Love you. Bye.